Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Cat S75. First of all, open Play Store on both smartphones and install free app called SendAnywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up, do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you need to tap on Not Now if you don't want to receive notifications, and then close it by hitting OK. Nextly, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive next to Send at the bottom of Cat. Also on Cat's smartphone, tap one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to an Android. In order to select your files that you wish to transfer, use categories located at the top, like photos. Now to choose multiple files right away, tap on those dots at the top left corners. If you want to pick only a few, just click on the chosen ones. In my case, this one picture. Wherever you decide, when you're ready, choose Send next to Selected at the bottom. Now hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up, and then select one of those connection ways. In order to connect using this QR code, pick scanning icon located above user guide on Cat S75. Then choose while using the app or only this time to allow camera access, and point your device's camera at the code. If you want to input this key though, click on Input Key section instead. Type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!